Hi there. In this video, I wanted to take a minute to show you a new feature that we've added to Agency Advantage, which is our live chat feature. So if you wanted to chat with our support techs, you are able to do that right from our product now. So from your home screen here, you can come over here and click on live chat, and it will open up our chat here. And let me make that bigger. You'll click on this little chat bubble over here, and this brings up our text. So you would just, to start, you would put in a message and click send, and then one of our texts will respond. And it's as easy as that. Sometimes it's faster to do this than calling in. And then also you'll see on this home screen that we also have added our email address. So we have three ways to contact support now. We have the phone, we have email, and live chat. If you have any questions, let us know.